Imagine a school where every child can learn, play, and grow without worrying about germs. Today, we're making that a reality at this school with Weibake's hypochlorous acid disinfection system. Schools are where kids explore, connect, and dream, but invisible threats can disrupt that. That's why we're installing this system to build a shield of safety, so every classroom, every playground corner, becomes a space where health and curiosity thrive together. Every pipe we connect, every sensor we calibrate, this isn't just about equipment. It's about giving students the freedom to focus on learning, not illness. For teachers, it's peace of mind knowing their classroom is a fortress of health. With Weibake, these kids will walk into a school where clean air and safe surfaces are a given. They'll laugh louder in the cafeteria, experiment bolder in the lab, and chase dreams harder because their health is protected, their potential unshackled. This installation is more than a project. It's a promise to the next generation. A promise that schools are places where they can be their fullest, healthiest selves. And that's the kind of impact Weibake is proud to deliver today and for every school day to come.